So when you have two sets A and B, then the formula for calculating the intersection or the union of two sets is this way. The number of elements in A union B are equal to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B. Whenever we perform this addition, what happens is those elements which are there common to A and B get added two times. That is why we remove them once. This is the logic behind this minus. That is the logic behind this entire formula. Okay, whenever we want union, we just add them both and we subtract the common elements once. एक पार्टी आम्ही common elements minus करता. Why? Because they are added twice. Because they are there in set A also and set B also. Right? What is said in this question is in a group of 65 people, 40 like cricket. So number of elements in cricket is how much? It is 40, 40. Number of total elements are 65 because total लोग कितने आजा 65 आजा. That is probably the union, I guess. 10 like both cricket as well as tennis. When they like both, this I will write down as union only. Okay, 65. And both म्हणून सांगा how many आजा? They are 10 people. Okay, 10 of them like both. They like cricket as well as tennis. How many like tennis only? So this is the total. And we have some cricket and tennis. Correct? There is some intersection. How many are there in the intersection?
10.
10 are there. Perfect. So out of 65, 10 people like both. In cricket, how many people like? 40 people like cricket. Okay. 40 people like cricket. आता हे जे 40 लोक आसा पळय जेंका क्रिकेट आवडटा तितूंतले 10 जाण जे आसा न्ही ते कसले आसा they are what they are tennis lovers. They like tennis also. So if I ask you how many people like tennis, what is your answer? It is 65 minus 40 plus 10. Is this correct? Just check the formulas. Now I am not writing the formula here because we are just going through the answers. I am not solving it for you. You have already done it. So तुम्ही ज्या जाग्यार solve केला पळय थंय formula आसपाकूच जाय. You cannot directly write down the values like this. So the formula will be this way. Number of elements in C union D will be equal to number of elements in C plus number of elements in D minus number of elements in C intersection T. Okay. So I have taken it on the other side and all that. So this is number of people who like tennis. The answer is 35. Okay. 35 people out of 65 they like tennis. But the question here says how many like tennis only. When the word only comes, then we are interested in those people who do not like any other sport. त्यांका फक्त आणि फक्त टेनिस आवडटा. त्यांका दुसरो कोणतो स्पोर्ट आवडना. आता हे जे 35 लोक आसा पळय त्यांका सगळ्यांक फक्त टेनिस आवडटा काय थोडे असे लोक आसा जेंका दुसरो स्पोर्टूय आवडटा. We know that there are some people, how many? 10. They like what? They like cricket also. So the answer of this first sub question is the number of people who like tennis only will be number of elements in tennis minus number of elements in C intersection T. This is the number of people who like tennis only. Have you got the difference? The answer of this is 25. 25 लोक असे आसा जेंका फक्त टेनिस आवडटा आणि खंयचो स्पोर्ट आवडना. 35 लोक आसा जेंका टेनिस आवडटा. Similarly, 40 people are there who like cricket and there are 30 people who like cricket only. Okay, take it down. In 420 students, in 420 students, 210 speak in Hindi only. 210 speak in Hindi only. 180 speak in English only. 180 speak in English only. Each student speaks at least one language. Each student speaks at least one language. Find how many students can speak in first one English, second one Hindi, and third one both Hindi and English. Both Hindi and English. Now be careful about what the data is given about. Data किती दिला सारखं वाचा. Out of 420 students, 210 speak Hindi only म्हणून सांगा. So are you getting it? What exactly is the data given? Basically the data here is this is Hindi only. This is English only. So H mark करून जे सर्कल दाखयला पळय या सर्कलान खंयचे लोक आसतले जेंका हिंदी उलोवपाक कळटा. आता तितून दोन टाइप आसा. थोडे लोक जे आसा पळय जे हांगासर आसा तेंका कितें कळटा दे नो ओनली हिंदी and those who are there here they know Hindi also and English also. Is this clear? So far you have understood this. आता तुमका डेटा जो दिल्लो आसा क्वेश्चनाक तातूंत कितें सांगला 210 students can speak in Hindi only. So तुमका हे फुल सर्कलाचो डेटा दिला काय हो फक्त हाजो डेटा दिला भायलो डेटा दिला. So what this 210 people they are there who know Hindi only. These people are here. These people are here. They can speak only in Hindi. तेंका आनी दुसरी लँग्वेज कळना. Okay. Then let us look at this. These people, 180 students, they can talk in English only. So they are falling in this area. Okay. English only, they are falling in this area. What is not given to us is this. This part is not given to us. Okay. आता फॉर्म्युला मॉडिफाय जाता पळय. आता तुमगेलो ट्रेडिशनल फॉर्म्युला लागना. कित्याक ट्रेडिशनल फॉर्म्युलान कितें आसतलें इफ आय टेल यू दिस फॉर्म्युला H, if I tell you this formula H union E is equal to H plus E minus E. वो जर फॉर्म्युला आमी यूज केलो जाल्यार हांगासर कितें आसा नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन हिंदी. तुमकां खबर आसा नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन हिंदी ना. तुमकां खंयचे खबर आसा तुमकां खबर आसा नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन हिंदी ओनली. ओके. तुमकां नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स टोटल कितले लोक हिंदी उलयता ते तुमकां खबर ना. तुमकां कितें खबर आसा कितले लोक फक्त हिंदी उलयता. Are you getting the difference between the two? You are not told about the entire circle. You are only told about this part. That is why this formula cannot be used. हांगा तुमकां तुमचे लॉजिक यूज करचे पडटले. हांगा तुमकां वेन डायग्राम पळोवन आन्सर करचे पडटले. ओके. सो what is the answer? How many can speak in both languages? कशे काडटले आमी those who can speak in Hindi only. Okay, number of elements in Hindi only plus number of elements in Hindi and English plus number of elements in English only. If you have understood this, this is your total number of elements. Element means students आमच्या बेसिकली. Okay. Yes. So total किती असा 420. कितना जण only Hindi 210. 210. How many are Hindi plus English? I don't know. I'm just taking an X. What about this? 180. So what is the answer of this? X is equal to 30. So 30 people can talk in both the languages. They can talk in Hindi also and they can talk in English also. Now your question is, the first question is, how many can talk in English? So what will be the English? Only plus
210 जातले.
yes 180. That is this plus was the intersection part as there 30. So when you add them, it becomes 210. Similarly, how many can talk in Hindi? Will be only Hindi plus Hindi English. So 210 plus 30, it comes to 240. And how many can speak in both the languages? Answer I already got. It is 30. Okay, take down the question. In a class of 25 students, 12 opt for maths or 12 are for maths, 8 are for maths but not bio. Question, find how many are there for both maths and bio. First question. Second one, how many are there for bio but not maths? Let us solve it here. Maths असा bio असा. किती data दिला in a class of 25 total किती आता? So then can you tell me how many are there for maths and bio both? It's very simple. Four.
4.
What is the answer? How many are there for bio only? It is 8 plus 4 is 12 and total are 25. So this will be
13.
13. So now what is the question? First one is how many are there for both maths and bio? The answer is 4. Okay. Then the next sub question is how many are there for bio but not maths? What is the answer? Okay, 13 is the answer for how many are there for bio but not maths. If I ask you how many are there for bio, the answer will be 17 because you have to consider these 4 people also because they are also part of bio. Now questions can be this way. How many of these students are having only one subject? What will be the answer?
21.
Yes, the answer will be 21. That is 13 plus 8. Because these people are having only one subject. And how many are having 2 subjects? The answer will be 4. How many are having at least one subject? The answer will be 25. That is all of them. सगळ्यांकडे at least one subject असा नाही. थोड्यांकडे 1 असा 2 असा. But at least one म्हटले का सगळे आले. Okay. So now I'll give you some problems for homework. Take down this first one. This data. Find A dash intersection B dash. I will explain you how to solve this problem because you will be doing it at home. Okay, आता किती असा ना? Number of elements in the universal set. Okay, so this is a universal set. This is A and B. This is the first thing that you will draw. So universal set and किती असा? 700 असा. Total 700 असा. A किती असा? 200 असा. Full जो A असा नी. इथून तिथं 200 असा. B असा 300. फुल B असा किती असा? 300. आणि इंटरसेक्शन असा 100. तुमका विचारला गेले A dash intersection B dash. Can you go to the De Morgan's law that I have done? Go to the De Morgan's and check if you are getting this somewhere. A union B complement म्हटल्यावर कोणचा part I will shade here. This is A union B complement. Okay, so A union B complement is whatever is there outside A union B. Correct? Gopal. So solve कशा करतले तुम्ही? How many elements are there? 700 minus what? This, no? A union B. So you have to verify this. Verify करपाचे खंयचे प्रॉब्लेम असता तेका आमी कशे सॉल्व करता? पयली लेफ्ट हँड साइड घेता, तेका फुल सॉल्व करता, मागीर राइट हँड साइड घेता, तेका फुल सॉल्व करता, आणि फायनली इक्वल आसा काय ना ते पळयता. Same we will do here. First we will do what is B minus A. So what is B minus A here? So you have what is said B. A complement असा तुमच्याकडे ना? ना, काढतो पडतो. Okay? So this is your A complement. Now, what you have to check? B intersection A complement. If you check this and this intersection, you will get the same answer. Can somebody tell me how many subsets it will have? कितले असतले subset total?
8.
8.